welcome to my channel, Grandma Indras Recipes. Today we are going to make a lemonade. Let's see the ingredients. First one is lemon, then sugar and ice. Cut the lemon into 2 slices. Mommy? Take a bowl and squeeze the lemon juice. Okay. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix the juice with the help of whisk. Add some water into the lemon juice. Now mix it well. Add ice in the cup. Now pour the lemon juice in the cup. Now the lemonade is finished. Now add some fresh mint. Okay. Now our lemonade is ready to taste. Yummy. Try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.